Hello everyone, this is the final part of the Tesla Falcon door repair. The door was bent here in my parking garage on this post. So that is being replaced. Everything inside, the struts, the hinges. I still haven't put the glass, I have it in the back, but this is the final thing. Everything was replaced. This is a new older part from a blue Tesla, but everything was replaced. Let me show you actual strip. This one, so I had to redo it with a bigger one. So watch out with this thread, because this is not full steel metal. This is an alloy. Anyways, but it's working. Everything's nice and neat. Look how flush. There's a little dent in here, but don't pay attention. But look how flush it is. It's a little bit open on this side, but I think it's because the door was wrapped. It's wrapped with a hit, but anyway, that's okay with me. The Tesla's paid off, and I don't have to go through warranty or Tesla repair. This how flush, and it's pretty flush. Just down here, because maybe it was wrapped, it's a little indented. I haven't washed it because I can't go through the car wash because of these, so it's dirty. So please disregard that. But this is how it looks. And you have to align, like I said in the previous video, these hinges so you can make it nice and flush. You'll probably get this one because this one is wrapped, so yours is gonna be even better than this, like this normal then. But anyways, everything was replaced, and you have to calibrate. That's very important. From the inside of the vehicle, you have to press up, hold down like a minute until it goes up all the way, and then press down so you can calibrate the way down. Don't do it in the screen, because the screen is gonna just calibrate the closing, not the. But we're gonna test it right now, the first time on camera. See how I have everything open here because I was replacing these struts. I got them off eBay because 3 went bent and one of them was bad. So I got them all. Everything's replaced. I'm ready to reassemble the top. The panel already put it, but just the trim. I put the glass at the end because I don't want it to break. That's the most costly repair out of this is $1,000 a glass. Okay, and then this is how it is. When I close it from inside, well, let me try this one. I haven't done this yet. There you go. I didn't have to go through Tesla to repair this. This is very inexpensive compared to Tesla or to an insurance, especially if you haven't paid it off and there's no more warranty or expensive insurances. But this is gonna stay on. I'll probably go to Tesla in the future. They may adjust the struts, how high they put, because when it closes it kind of goes to normal, but kind of when it lets go it goes back a little bit. It doesn't bother me. The car is paid off, and it's here, so it's replaced. Everything's repaired. I'll be doing the glass, and I won't do another video, so this is the final where the repair is complete. Please like the video so we can continue sharing more Tesla repair videos. Where this door was wrapped, everything was broken, the door was bent, the hinges and the struts were damaged. Everything's good. Thank you. Please like for more Tesla videos. Appreciate it.